Hi everyone, today we're gonna make origami plane who flies like a bird. I guess that all of you already know how to make origami plane, but today we're gonna make a much harder plane and a much better plane. If you like my videos, give me a sub, a like, and don't forget to ring the bell. And if you're not on my channel, I recommend you to start with a butterfly, with a fish, and with our easiest one. Then try other origamis. First, fold the paper to a half 4 times. Now, push the paper on the paper in order to create a triangle. Then, fold the triangle to a half. After that, do the same thing in the other side. Fold the paper until the line, then fold it to the other direction on its own line. After that, try to move it to the first line without unfold it. Then do the same thing in the other side. Fold the paper from the both sides, then take out the paper from the middle. Now, push it on the paper. Now, push out the paper from the both sides. Fold the paper a little and fold it twice. Then do the same thing in the other side. Now, fold the paper twice. Now, move the wings and fasten the wings. And finally, fold the paper to a half and fold it from the both sides in order to open the wings. And there you have origami plane who flies like a bird. Give me a sub and see you in the next video.